24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers to an online tutorial, first part of Chapter 3 of Science Grade 5. The video will cover parts of a flower, pollination. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson upon previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them the questions like, what are flowers? What role do the flowers play for the plant? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation to the lesson is developed. This will help the students revise characteristics of flowers. Keep writing the responses on the board. For this lesson, you can bring different types of real flowers in the classroom. You can use artificial flowers too. You can also make a model of a flower and its parts. Charts can also be prepared. Show the students real flowers or models. You can ask them to come to your table, or you can make groups of students and divide flowers among them. Now address them saying, dear students, you must have seen many flowers before. They have different colors and shapes. But do you know about parts of a flower? Look closely and try to identify as many parts as you can. Ask them to note their observations down. Then, with the help of a real flower or model, dissect the parts of a flower in front of the students. Draw each part on the board as well and write its name. Then, with the help of the textbook, explain to the students the parts of a flower and their functions. Again, for this part, you can use real flowers or artificial flowers. You can make props of different pollinators like honeybees. You can also show the videos of various means of pollinations and pollinators on a multimedia if it is available, or you can show pictures to the students. Demonstrate with the help of flowers and honeybee and prop the difference between self-pollination and cross-pollination. You can also use the board for understanding with the students. Then, with the help of the textbook, explain in detail the types of pollination. For further discussion, you may ask the students the importance of pollination and what would happen if there is no pollination. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to make a poster showing the ways by which they can avoid infections. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.